This is the greatest pretzel I've ever had.
Ich bin ein Heidelberger!
Oh my God, ich bin ein Heidelberger!
God, it's like a spider!
Working for who? Oh, Mom, ich bin ein Heidelberger! Give me dinner, Mom!
Huh?
Like a spider web! Heidelberger! What?
Who do you think invented the spoon?
Paleo?
Spoony Spoonicus.
Earned out. Working for who? Paleo?
Spoony Spoonicus.
What fucking?
Spoony Spoonicus.
Ich bin ein Heidelberger.
Ich bin ein Heidelberger!
Oh.
These cheesesteaks are oh my God, it's like a spider web!
What? That's not true. Oh, yes, it is. I seen him talking to her at school.
Ich bin ein Heidelberger!
Ich bin ein Heidelberger!
Tell us. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Paleo?
Spoony Spoonicus.
Sheldon Lee Cooper, you dog.
God, it's like a spider!
First name,
Ich bin
last name,
ein Heidelberger!
so you're
Ich bin ein Heidelberger!
Other couples out there, can y'all stop taking that Paleo? bullshit?
Spoony Spoonicus.
Actually, you cannot be doing that at the restaurant.
Ich bin ein Heidelberger!